Ah, yes.
Of the legendary band Fish, his new self-titled solo CD is in stores now. Playing
We
Pebbles
are going
and
to
Marbles.
assemble
This is Trey Anastasio right here.
the 2-bolt housing for our friend in chat with some Trey Anastasio, Pebbles and Marbles. No beverage of the evening. OEM Toyota parts. So
she started a blaze, one tiny spark I didn't even detect.
OEM Tamiya, 82 degrees Celsius.
Was dismayed by the dark, the stars though she seemed to respect. The faint light that flutters at night to the earth would land in her eyes and collect the luminous creatures she'd find in the surf. I never thought to inspect. Pebbles and marbles like things on my mind seem to get lost and harder to find.
Flat.
When I am alone, I am inclined, if I find a pebble in sand, I think that it fell from my hand.
Dielectric grease.
She gave me ideas, planted the seed, but she never stopped to reflect. The course that she's on, wherever it leads, I never would redirect.
Pebbles and marbles like
words from a friend make us hold tight but are lost in the end. When we're alone, we all seem to tend, if we find a marble in dust, to wish someone left it for us. Pebbles and marbles like things on my mind seem to get lost and harder to find. When I am alone, I am inclined, if I find a pebble in sand, I think that it fell from my hand. Pebbles and marbles like things on my mind.
Bypass hose with clamps. Gasket.
Pebbles and marbles like things on my mind.
Brake bolts.
Pebbles and marbles like things on my mind. Pebbles and
thermostat housings are things on my mind. Not sure if I've done a live assembly of a thermostat housing, but that's how I ship them assembled. It's a lot easier, a lot safer. Everything's hand tight. Red Loctite prevents the studs from backing out. The dielectric grease will prevent these from seizing up. These have a green tint coating on them. These are corrosion-proof nuts. I like the studs and nuts approach. And as a bonus, if we could get this up in the air, a Toyota genuine Nipodenzo tool tote / Toyota auto body, premium genuine quality reproduction OEM parts. This isn't a promotional video. This is just a 420 special. Fellow member reached out in chat, and I'm going to post this in chat. And to be clear, this isn't about promotion. This is just kind of a cool assembly thing with some music, Trey Anastasio, Pebbles and Marbles. And you know, this was kind of like Pebbles and Marbles. We had little things here and bolts and gaskets. Bolts and gaskets on my mind. But anyway, he gets a tool tote, and that's called Bro Deal Network Hookups. So, yeah, thank you. Heading your way. That's just simply bliss.